Hello everyone, I Supriya Nikam and today I am going to discuss the MCQs under the topic pH buffer and isotonic solution, and this chapter is included in the syllabus of SY B.Pharm under the subject Physical Pharmaceutics 1. So now we will going to start with the first question. If the pH of the solution of HCO2H is 3, then what is the concentration of acid if pK is 3.75? So after by solving this question with the problem, you will get the answer C, that is a 5.6 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per dm minus 3. Question number 2. Level of pH found in antacid solution is A, less than or equal to 6.5, B, more than or equal to 7, C, more than 10, and D, more than 14. So answer will be the more than 10. 3 unknown solutions are given with the pH value of 6, 8 and 9.5 respectively. So which solution will contain the maximum OH ions? Option A, solution sample 1, B, solution sample 2, option number 3, solution sample 3, and the data are insufficient. So as we know, as the pH increases, so OH minus ion concentration increases and H plus ion concentration decreases. So definitely the answer will be the solution sample 3 contains maximum OH minus ion concentration. So answer is C. Who has invented the pH scale? As we all know, the Sorensen sir have invented this pH scale. So answer is A, SPL Sorensen sir. Then question number 5. Which statement is correct regarding the buffer solution? Option A. It is a solution whose pH change when small amount of acid or base is added into it. Option number B. It is the solution whose pH does not change when small amount of acid or base added into it. C. It does not use the pH as a constant in wide variety of chemical application. Option number D. The solution of methanoic acid is an example of effective buffer solution. So as we all know, the definition of buffer is a solution whose pH does not change when you add a very small quantity of acid or a base into it. So answer will be the B answer. Question number C. Which one of the following is equal to the pKa of a weak acid? Option number A, it's a relative molecular mass. Option number B, the pKb of its conjugate base. Option number C, the pH of the solution contain equal amount of acid and its conjugate base. And option number D, the equilibrium concentration of its conjugate base. So as we know, the answer is the pH of the solution containing equal amount of acid as well as its conjugate base. Because the acid dissociate constant is K and is a measurement of the strength of the acid and can be expressed both as an exponent, which is used to represent a very large number as a logarithm, which is easier to manage. So whenever the express in a logarithmic pKa presents the pH of the solution when the acid is a half dissociated, that is when the solution contains equal amount of acid and its conjugate base. Which of the following relationship is true for an acid solution at 25 degrees Celsius? Okay, so answer is H plus is greater than OH minus, pH is greater than 7, Kw is greater than 1 into 10 raised to minus 14, and the solution is negatively charged. So answer definitely will be the H plus ion concentration is greater than the OH minus ion concentration. That will be the true statement regarding the acidic solution at 25 degrees Celsius. A solution of HCl with the concentration of 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole per liter has a pH of which of the following? Option is A, 2.67, B, 3.21, C, 3.40, and D, 4.31. So the concentration of H plus ion is a 0.0004 molar and the pH of the solution is defined as a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. There is a minus log into H plus ion concentration, which is the 3.39794, or you can say 3.40 to 3 significant figures. So the answer will be definitely a 3.40. That will be the answer of this question. So an aqueous solution containing pH concentration of 2.5 into 10 to the minus 8 OH minus ion will have the pH of which of the following? There is a 6.40, 6.42, 7.4 and 7.64. By using the formula you can get the answer 6.40. Question number 10. A buffer solution comprises which of the following? A weak acid in a solution, a strong acid in a solution, a weak base in a solution, or option number D, a weak acid and its conjugate base in the solution. So as we all know, the buffer is a weak acid and its conjugate base in the solution. So answer it option D is the correct one. Question number 11. A buffer solution contains ethanoic acid and it's a conjugate base. So pK of ethanoic acid is a 4.74. At what pH does the solution will form buffer? So option A is 3, B is 4, C is 5 and D is the 6. So answer A, 5 is the correct one. So these are the few MCQs under that topic, pH, buffer and isotonic solution. So I hope this video will helpful for you to solving this MCQs. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.